In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Gmail signature design. Alright, so first I'm going to head over to gmail.com and wait for my inbox to load. Once I'm here, I'm going to click on the settings icon, that little gear in the top right corner. This opens up a quick menu, but to get all the options we need, I'll go ahead and click on See All Settings. Now that the full settings are open, I'll make sure I'm on the General tab. This is where Gmail keeps all of the main settings, and if I scroll down just a little, I'll see the signature section. Here's where we can manage, edit and create a signature that shows up at the bottom of every email. I'm going to click on the edit icon next to the signature I want to modify, and a box pops up where I can start making changes. First, I'll update the signature name, if I want to keep track of different versions, or just label it for myself. Now comes the fun part, editing the signature itself. I can type in my name, job title, contact info, or anything I want included. Gmail gives me basic formatting tools so I can change the font, size, or color to match my style. I'm also going to design the signature to make it look professional and visually appealing. This might include adding a logo, adjusting text alignment, adding links to my website or social media, or even including a small image. I'll make sure it all fits nicely and isn't too cluttered, keeping it clean but eye-catching. Once I'm happy with how the signature looks and everything is properly formatted, I'll scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures that every new email I send will automatically include this signature at the bottom. And that's it. By going through Settings General and the Signature section, you can easily create or redesign your Gmail signature so it looks polished and professional. Now every email you send will have a signature that represents you or your brand exactly the way you want.